Some active movers: QMCO, VRME, YAAS, and FATN. We'll begin with QMCO, up 42.37%, intraday high $12.69. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, the stock is trending as traders discuss the company's positioning in the storage and data management space, particularly its role in supporting AI driven workloads. Community charter points to renewed optimism following recent filings and speculation about strategic partnerships that could help the company tap into the growing demand for high performance storage solutions. Some investors see QMCO as a potential turnaround play, noting its relatively small market cap compared to its peers, while others remain cautious due to its history of financial struggles. Technical traders are watching volume spikes as a signal of a possible near-term momentum. Yeah, let's see what's going on. QMCO. Yeah, we have underlying trend is bullish. Yeah, it is bullish. Yeah, regardless, it's bullish, yes. And strength is expected to remain in place up till Tuesday, the 23rd. And then, well, as a matter of fact, it's actually expected to remain strong up till, at least remain elevated up till Tuesday, the 30th of September. Okay, so let's see what we have. 8.58 is downward projection. Let's see. Yeah, and then price pressure momentums are bullish or indicating that the two moving averages, the 10 and 21-day moving averages, are trending. However, there are negative the two of them have negative second derivatives, indicating that yeah, it has faced some resistance, and this is an evidence of that. So 12.69, most certainly an upper projection. Yeah. So let's see what we have for um yeah, 12.69 upper projection. Let's see. Before now, projections went as high as 24.03, 29.49, 32.86. Okay, let's see what we have for VRME. VRME. VRME up 39.51%, intraday high 1.35. Let's see what we have. Yeah, the stock is, let's see, the stock is drawing attention as the community highlights its role in authentication, identity verification, and anti counterfeiting solutions. The stock is gaining traction among retail investors who view it as a niche cybersecurity play in an era where data integrity and trust are increasingly important. Recent contract wins and patent discussions have added to the bullish narrative, while skeptics warn about its small cap volatility and limited liquidity. Traders are monitoring whether VRME can sustain momentum if it secures more enterprise or government partnerships. Yeah, let's see what we have. VRME. Yeah, underlying trend, I think, well, just neutral, I think. Strength is expected to remain in place up till Tuesday the 30th. Then after that, we might see a contraction. This expansion actually began on Thursday, the yesterday. As a matter of fact, that's when this expansion began. We had this intraday high of 1.35 not long ago. As of the ninth, we had 1.56, 1.87, 2.06, and indeed there's a down projection of 0.2748. Price pressure momentums are saying that the two moving averages are in strong trend modes. However, the 10-day moving average is facing some resistance. It's been facing some resistance. The derivatives are negative at the moment, so there's been some resistance of late. Yeah, okay, indicating that possibly some positions opened in the last couple of hours may have lost money. Yeah. Okay, so let's see what we have. Next is YAAS. YAS, let's see, no extrapolations. It's up 19%, I think. It's recovering from the lows it printed. When was that? And okay, well, we have here an intraday low of 0.0574. Okay, so this is also a stock you need to be careful about. Be really careful. Um, yeah, no intraday high, none. Okay, intraday high is zero point 0.3. Okay, it had a rock pull. You can see that this rock pull happened on the 5th of September. Intraday high $3 or thereabout, 0.3052, 0.3052, and as of the 24th of June, it was at $5.58. Okay, let's see what we have. Price pressure momentum. Severely bearish. Yeah, nothing has changed yet. It's not out of the woods yet. Yeah, even though it's up 21.85%, not out of the woods yet. However, some people might be buying it like this, might be buying this deep. Yeah, especially the fact that it's gaining some strength already. But yeah, if for those that are brave enough, they may get involved. But I mean, this rock pool tells you everything you need to know. This one that happened on early this month. Yeah. Okay. The next is FATN. Okay. Let's see what's going on with YAAS. Yeah, the stock is trending after its recent listing with traders speculating on its growth potential in the tech and software service spaces. Committee discussions emphasize the company's focus on next generation solutions, though much of the momentum appears to be driven by low float dynamics and retail speculation rather than fundamentals. Bulls argue YAAS could ride a broader enthusiasm for Chinese tech listings on US exchanges, while bears remain cautious about transparency and long term profitability. Yeah. Okay, now we can go to FATN. FATN. FATN up 47%. Let's see what's going on. Intraday high 10.77. So the stock is being discussed as retail investors revisit legacy networking and wider area network optimization players amid a renewed interest in connectivity infrastructure. The committee notes that FATN, FATN has historically operated in a highly competitive space. Its established customer base and product suite could benefit from surging demand for secure, high-speed network solutions in the AI and cloud era. Speculation about potential partnerships or M&A interest has also fueled a chatter, though critics point to limited growth and financial headwinds as ongoing challenges. Okay, yeah, okay, so let's see what's going on with FATN. Okay, not doesn't have enough data. So projections are saying 8.9, 10.24, 11.07. We have 10.77 intraday high. Price pressure momentums are strongly bullish. Yeah, but we have negative second derivatives on the 10 and 21 day moving averages, indicating that yeah, there's been some resistance, and some positions have been in trouble of late. Yeah, some positions have been in trouble of late. Yeah, let's see what we have. 21 day moving average. 21 day will be somewhere around here. I'm wondering why it is affecting the 21 day, but well, it's just what that's what it says. It's saying um, I think, yeah, it's just the resistance that has cost. It's costing some of these issues to arise, and obviously the stock has to be resisted. I mean, it will always face resistance. Well, it's just also indicating that there's indeed just validating what we know, that there's resistance, and you need to be very much aware of that. So have a look and see what you make of these active stocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.